friends, right here on the bodhrán. This is Julia. In the town of Athy, when Jeremy Lanigan battered away till he had to pound his father, he died. Made him a man again, left him a farm and 10 acres of ground. He gave a grand party to friends and relations who didn't forget him when come to the wall. If you but listen, I'll make your eyes glisten at rows and ructions at Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin learning to dance for Lanigan's ball. I stepped out.
I stepped in again.
I stepped in.
I stepped out.
I stepped out.
And I stepped in again.
I learned to dance for Lanigan's ball. Easy, Julia. Settle down. Myself to be sure, got 3 invitations for all the nice girls and boys I might ask. Just in a minute, both friends and relations were dancing as merry as bees round a cask. There was lashings and punch, wine for the ladies, potatoes and cakes, there was bacon and tea. There were the Dorans, O'Grady's, courting the girls and dancing away. They were doing all kinds of nonsensical polkas all round the room in a whirly gig, till Julia and I soon banished their nonsense and tipped them a twist of a real Irish cheek. Oh, that girl, she got mad at me dancing, you'd think the seals would fall. For I spent 3 weeks at Brooks Academy learning the steps for Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin learning to dance for Lanigan's ball. I stepped out.
I stepped in again.
I stepped in.
I stepped out again.
I stepped out.
And I stepped in
I
again.
learned to dance for Lanigan's ball. The rhythm is good now, Julia. The boys were as merry, the girls all hearty, dancing together in couples and groups, till an accident happened. Young Terence McCarthy, he put his right leg through his Finnerty's hoops. The creature, she fainted and cried Meelia murther, called for her brothers and gathered them all. Carmody swore that he'd go no further, he'd have satisfaction at Lanigan's ball. In the midst of the row, Miss Kerrigan fainted, her cheeks at the same time as red as the rose. Some of the boys decreed she was painted, she took a small drop, too much I suppose. Her sweetheart did Morgan, so powerful and able, when he saw his fair got his strength with the wall. He tore the left leg from under the table and smashed all the dishes at Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin learning to dance for Lanigan's ball. I stepped out.
I stepped in again.
I stepped in.
I stepped out again.
I stepped out.
I stepped in
I
again.
learned to dance for Lanigan's ball. Hit that bodhrán, woman. Boys, oh boys, says then there was ructions. I took a lick from young Phelan McHugh, but soon I replied to his fine introduction and kicked him a terrible hullabaloo. On Casey the piper, he nearly got strangled. They squeezed up his pipes, fellows, chanters and all. The girls and their ribbons, they all got entangled, and that put an end to Lanigan's ball. 6 long months I spent in Dublin, 6 long months doing nothing at all. 6 long months I spent in Dublin learning to dance for Lanigan's ball. I stepped out.
I stepped in again.
I stepped in.
I stepped out again.
I stepped out.
And I stepped in again.
Learning to dance for Lanigan's ball. Julia, Julia, step out there, woman, and show 'em how it's done. Show 'em the steps, girl. I like it. Magic. Mighty. Sockatoon, baby. Woo! Get up there, Julia! baby.